everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you the ways to use Amazon Music with Prime membership. So to use Amazon Music with Prime membership, you need to follow these steps. First thing, make sure that your Amazon Prime membership is active and music is available as part of the membership. So if your Prime account is not active, you won't have access to the services as well. Next, you want to go ahead and open up a browser, and or else you could just go to the application. So I'm using a browser, so I'm going to type in Amazon Music website. And when you open up the Amazon Music, go and press the first link that appears. After which, what you want to do is sign in using the same Amazon account associated with your Prime Music. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cancel this and then use the same account as I've used it, so, and clap the next button. After you're signed into your account, Amazon Music Prime will give you an access to over 2 million songs for free now with your Prime membership. So you could stream playlist, albums and stations with the Prime services, but you won't have access to your full library unless you upgrade to Amazon Music Unlimited. So you could also use Alexa for voice control, and you could also upgrade to Amazon Music Unlimited. And you could also do is offline listening and additional features such as create and share playlists, stations and podcasts. So these are the features you could be able to use when you connect your Amazon Music with Prime. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.